guys, welcome back to this new video. This is a big video because in a while I haven't made one, and I'm sorry for the lighting problems. I know it's trying to figure it out a bit more, but let's get right into it. As you see, this is the Oculus Quest 2 from Facebook. Obviously, have to give credit to Facebook. And well, this is just gonna be the quick unboxing, so that is probably why this video is going to be kind of short when it comes to time. So we're just gonna rip this out. It's not really that satisfying, really, but we're just currently just gonna take all of this wrapping out. This is a nice box. It is really nice. So first we got our controllers. These are the touch controllers. Got the joystick, the B, A, the Oculus logo. Got this little like grip down here, buttons. This whole thing, I think it's a sensor. So we got both of these controllers. We're gonna put these to the side, and in the end we'll lay it out. Then the next thing we got is the actual headset itself. This is, wow, it feels really light too. We have our silicone cover. So this is, I'm not exactly sure what this is for. We'll see it in a bit. Then we have our actual headset right here. And this has the whole thing. So I'm gonna leave that in for a bit. This is a little other look from the sides. From the bottom right here, we got volume down, volume up. Then we got the power button right here. Let's see, we got one camera, two cameras, three, four different cameras in the sides. And then, well, that's kind of it. And let's uncover this part right here. This is for the lenses. You can move this, I think, left and right to like focus and stuff, I think. Or for your spacing. And then after the headset, we have the glasses spacer. So if you have any glasses, this is going to be easier to use with this, since it does space it out a bit with the headset. And then I believe this is our charger and our power adapter. Overall, this so far has been pretty satisfying. That's a really nice charger too. We got our reference guide, our Oculus Quest manual, what you usually get with anything that you buy, with any piece of tech or any device. After that, we got our, I believe this is USB Type-C. Yep, USB Type-C to USB Type-C, and a USB Type-C power adapter. I am not sure if this is, I believe this is, yep, 10 watts. We got our Oculus. We got our glasses spacer. We're gonna take this out of the box actually. Have our AC and our charger there. We're gonna take the silicone cover out. And we got our two controllers right here. So this was probably going to be it for this whole video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you liked it. If you want me to make a review after like a month or so, or like 100, let's say, hours of play, or 100 days, I would make another video. Well, this was it. As I said, please subscribe, leave it a like, and press the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video about this or anything else. Thanks for watching.